everyone. So sorry sebab macam dah lama gila tak buat video because I was pergi bercuti. So last 2 weeks, okay, Lisa pergi Bangkok. So the main reason I went to Bangkok because I want to go for a makeup haul. Sebab Lisa macam recently very into Thai's makeup. So Lisa memang macam follow Surasak, Lisa follow Baslana, Lisa follow Nongchat because dia punya makeup tu macam very soft, nampak macam soft tau, macam soft and sweet and kemas. So since macam dah gila sangat follow diorang, so Lisa pergi Bangkok and Lisa tahu Nongchat dia ada his own brand, makeup brand. And Surasak pun dia ada dia punya produk sendiri, but unfortunately Surasak dia tak jual on dekat market, dekat kedai-kedai tau. So dia macam online business je. But for Nongchat dia ada dia punya produk available dekat retail company, retail shop yang besar-besar tau. So dekat Bangkok, they have like macam Sephora like yang dalam kedai tu, which is Eve and Boy. So Lisa akan insert a picture of video of how big Eve and Boy is. Eve and Boy dia macam like a Sephora. Sephora is more to macam international brands kan, but Eve and Boy ni dia ada international brands, all the brands from US, ada yang certain from UK, and dia ada dia punya local products, local brands. So Surasak Nongchat punya brand like macam ada satu the whole aisle untuk dia punya produk je. And mainly masa Lisa pergi tu, dia ada brow product and also the eye amazing, which is eyeshadow stick. So you know what? I bought all the eyeshadow sticks. So dia ada 6 colour. Saya beli dia punya eyebrow pencils and also dia punya eyebrow powder. Without further mendelaykan lagi video ni dan membebel macam-macam mengarut tu, let's get started. Okay, so foundation hari ni we go Malaysian. So kita guna foundation, one of I think comparable to a high-end international brands punya foundation, which is the NRC Cosmetics. So hari ni saya akan mix dua NRC Cosmetic shades, which is the medium and a little bit of medium dark. So Lisa dah mix the two shades here. Just going to apply. Okay, kalau Thai punya makeup dia orang suka macam cerah sikit, but for me I prefer to stick to my skin colour. Tak suka cerahkan sangat sebab nanti nampak macam, for me I think kalau you cerahkan sangat muka you nampak macam pucat. So I'm using this Blank Canvas Cosmetic flat top kabuki brush and just blend it on the skin. So bisa just dab macam tu. Okay, one of the reason why Lisa suka NRC Cosmetic ni because it gives you that natural finish. Dia not too matte, not too dewy. Because I personally don't know how to work with matte foundation. Lisa pernah try a few matte foundation. Dan Lisa rasa macam, kenapa foundation aku macam tak on ni? Why? So macam, it's okay lah, just stick to the natural finish foundation. Yang tak too dewy, not too matte. Yang penting, it even out your skin tone. Okay, so now we're done with foundation. So I'm going to move to concealer. Okay. For concealer, Lisa nak pakai this mix of Tarte Shape Tape and also this Hope Girl Nude Concealer Base. Lisa akan mixkan these two shades untuk macam, because this one dia macam exactly my skin color, but I want to brighten it up a little bit. So Lisa pakai this one Hope Girl in Code 22. So Lisa mixkan the concealer here. And Lisa pakai brush, just dab. So sebenarnya Lisa try to follow this look from Surasak. So Lisa tengok dalam look tu, dia just letak concealer dekat under eye. Okay, dia pakai Surasak dia pakai Fenty Beauty stick tu, but I do not have that one. So I'm going to use this Hourglass Sunset Illumisure Color Trio. So saya pakai this contour color. Korang abaikan je kebisingan itu. Terus saya blend, saya pakai this Real Techniques contour brush. Just blend it. Okay, apa yang Halisa suka buat, my personal, what I like to do is ambil balik kita punya foundation brush with dengan apa yang macam balance yang tertinggal dekat kita punya foundation brush tu, you just blend dekat edges dia supaya tak nampak that harsh lines. Blusher, dia pakai liquid blusher color orange. So the orangest color that I have for liquid is this from daripada palette yang sama, Hourglass. Dab it in the cheek area. Tak directly powder, dia letak highlight dulu. So I'm going to use highlight daripada Pixie by Petra. This one, I'm going to mix both shades. Macam tu. So dia letak kat sini sikit, sini sikit. Okay, powder yang dipakai adalah powder La Prairie, okay. Mahal gila tu. But we're going to use, saya akan pakai Halisa punya favourite, current favourite, which is the Kat Von D Translucent Powder. So, saya pakai smaller brush. Just dust it on. Okay, and then on a bigger brush, it off and just dab macam tu je. So macam dekat area yang kita dah letak highlight tu, lalu sikit je. Macam balance tu, lalu kat situ. So you still have that glow. Okay, after the face done, dia pakai eyeshadow, and dia pakai eyeshadow daripada Nongchat, which is the Amazing Eyeshadow Stick. Okay, so that is all 6 color of Nongchat. Dia macam dark brown. Dia bukan black, which is good because macam a black eyeliner macam nampak macam harsh kan, but this one dia buat color dark brown, so dia nampak macam like soft sikit. Okay, so this is all the 6 colors of Nongchat eyeshadow stick. Ni bila you beli, you akan dapat this much of a product, and dia punya price point dia pun macam very affordable, 189 baht macam tu, around tak sampai RM25 kita, because duit kita macam kecil sekarang. Hari ni saya akan pakai copper crown. Saya tengok dia macam pakai something yang macam ada copperish colour, so this one is the copper crown. Dia pakai all over the eyelid. Just apply on your mobile lid. Blend the edges. Dia pakai warna yang lebih kurang macam warna this colour. So dia akan ambil this baklava shade from Ferrarosa. Tap on top of the colour. So macam dia jadikan eyeshadow tu macam dia punya base. Okay, untuk crease saya nak pakai Nongchat punya brow shadow in coat this one, the brown and dark brown ni. Saya akan ambil dia macam warm sikit, the warm colour ni, and use it untuk blend kita punya crease sikit. Ambil this eyeshadow and same powder product. Just going to blend sesuatu yang sangat interesting is that dia guna liquid dia guna pomade ataupun dia guna eyeshadow pot, eyeshadow gel dekat bawah mata dengan dekat hujung mata to create depth now, which is interesting. Sebab bila dia buat macam ni, then I realise bila dia buat macam ni, bila you put you letak eyeshadow yang gelap, lepas tu dia melekat, dia tak jatuh ke bawah, which is macam this is something new. So saya akan pakai this tart brow mousse in coat medium brown, and dia letakkan dekat bawah ni. And after that baru dia pakai dark eyeshadow colour. Ambil nak mixkan this corrupt dengan Americano daripada Makeup Geek. And kat situ dia macam create effect, macam liner effect. So you punya mata jadi macam tu. Dia ambil darker brown. Okay, Lisa akan ambil this one, Makeup Geek Mocha, the corner ni, dan dia blend ke atas sikit. Okay, and then after that dia pakai mascara and lashes. So Lisa akan siapkan the other eye and put on my mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. So I am done with my eyes. So Lisa dah letak little bit of this wonder pencil, NYX punya wonder pencil dekat kita punya dalam waterline untuk bright upkan dia punya mata. So basically this is the eye look, and now kita nak move to kening. Okay, so untuk kening Lisa nak pakai this Browit brow pencil and blending cushion in coat natural brown. So dia ada pencil yang slanted macam tu. Okay, on the other side dia ada cushion macam brow powder. Okay, kalau you beli yang ini dia tak ada spoolie, but if you beli another version of dia punya brow pencil, this is the Pro Brow Slim. Okay, dia ada spoolie on one side, and then dia ada this tiny pencil on the other side. Kalau you jenis suka yang very precise, then you can try this. Lepas tu another brow product yang Lisa beli hari tu is this brow shadow in coat brown, dark brown. Okay, tapi dia macam a bit warm sikit. So I'm going to use, kalau dalam ni Lisa akan pakai this side. Okay, now let's move to the brow. Okay, Thais punya brow adalah brow jenis yang straight. So macam mana kita nak menyeterakan kita punya kening ni? I think I can do it. And then I'm going to take the cushion side untuk fill in kan. Ambil brow gel dulu and tolak dia ke atas. Okay, Lisa dah buat kening. This is the best straight kening yang berjaya dilakukan. Okay, kita tengok dia macam ada letak little bit of glitter. So saya nak pakai this Stardust eyeshadow. Dia pakai matte punya. Saya pakai Stardust eyeshadow daripada Sofwana in coat Solaris. And letak dekat-dekat. Just letak sikit-sikit je. Nak bagi ada glitter-glitter sikit. Okay, lepas tu dia letak bronzer. Saya nak pakai this bronzer daripada NARS, which is in Sun Wash in colour Casino. Dia letak dekat tempat yang dia letak shading tadi tu. Dia apply this highlighter slash dia letak something yang kilat lagi dekat dia punya area blusher dengan highlight tu. So Lisa akan ambil this colour daripada Makeup Geek, the blusher in code Romance. Apply dekat area Lisa letak blusher. Okay, on a normal basis pun Lisa memang suka letak colour Romance ni dekat depan, dekat cheek, tempat kita senyum ni, dekat apples of the cheek, supaya sebab tadi kita pakai matte blush, kadang-kadang bila kita senyum di sana ada dia macam that sheen dekat kita punya apples of the cheeks tu. Okay, lipstick yang dia pakai is more something yang peachy, nude, tapi dia ada macam little bit of brownish sikit. So hari ni Lisa nak mixkan these two colours daripada Lisa dah beli dekat Thailand, the mini Intuit liquid matte in colour cherry smoothie dengan Homeland liquid velvet matte lip colour in code 06. Okay, this is the two colours. Tak dia macam satu tu more red, satu tu more peach. And okay, I think Lisa nak tambah a bit of gloss sikit dekat tengah-tengah tu. So Lisa tengok dia orang punya lipstick is more macam ada kilat sikit. So Lisa nak ambil this dark cosmetics in code Basic Blair. And now kita set everything dengan Kat Von D Lock It Makeup Setting Spray. This is the finished look of Thailand makeup look. So this is the finished look of Thailand punya makeup look yang Lisa buat based on Surasak Studio signature makeup look, using most of eye look tu Lisa pakai barang-barang daripada Bangkok. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this makeup look, this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.